Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with me, Rahma. Okay, so you know that we are now in paperless era, right? Back then, when we need the data, we used to have people to fill out the paper, the form that we have already provided for them. But right now, all you need to do is only a Google form. Well, it's easier and simpler for you to gain the data. Okay, so right now I would like to show you how to make a Google form in easy way and just by using make a guess? Yeah, just by using a handphone. Okay. Why handphone? Because not everyone has a laptop or a computer, right? And then just by using phone, you can make a Google form anywhere and anytime. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first step to create a Google form in our mobile phone is let's go to the website drive, sorry, drive.google.com. But first, you must have a Google account to access the site, right? And then let's change into desktop site. Okay, let's wait. And then after that, just click New Google Forms. And there are three options: blank form, blank quiz, or from a template. So Google provides several template options, including event feedback, order forms, job applications, work requests, and so on. But for now, I will use blank form to show you how to make a student council registration form. Okay, here it is. So the untitled form it's used to put the title of your form. I will write student console registration form like this. And then form description is where you put the descriptions of your form or the instructions for the respondents to fill out the form. Since it's gonna be a long sentence or a long paragraph, I suggest you to prepare a file of it and then you can just copy paste so it will save your time and it will make you easier. Okay, so I will just copy from here like this. Okay, so the untitled questions is where you put the questions. Okay, the first questions will be full name. Okay, there are many options that you can choose, like short answer and then paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, file upload if you want the respondents to upload their photos or any documents. Okay, wait. Or linear scale, multiple choice grid, checkbox grid, date, or time. Okay, but for now I will use short answer. And then if you want to duplicate the question box without any needed to settings more, you just click this one and voila, you just change it like address. Okay, and then if you want to what is it, to delete the questions, you may click this one. Okay, I think it's okay. And then if it's required, you may click this one. Okay, so there are many buttons here. if you click this, it means you want to add more questions. And then if you want to import the questions from your other Google Forms, you may click this one, like this. Or if you want to add more titles and descriptions into your Google form, you may click this one. But right now I don't need it, so just delete it. And then if you want to add image, you may click, you may click this one. Okay, you may insert the image into your question box. And then if you want to add videos into the question box, you may choose this one. And if you want to make your Google form into more than one page or one section, you may click this one. Okay, like this. But if you don't need it, let's just delete it. I don't need it right now. Okay, so let's move to the questions. I will continue. Okay, for now, let's just put visions and missions like this. I'll use paragraph, and then after that I will use, okay, for this one, since it's gonna be a long questions, I will just copy it like this. Copy paragraph required. Okay, okay. I'm going to put gender here, and then use drop down male and female. Okay, and then it is required. And then if you want to move the order of the questions, you may click it for time, and then just drag and drop it like this. Okay, if you are done like this, you may custom the theme. Okay, if you want to put image into your header. Okay, so work and school, I will put this one, insert. And then if you want to change the color like this, and the font style, okay, like this, apply. And then if you want to see the preview, click the three buttons and then preview. Okay, like this. If you're satisfied with the Google Forms, let's just go back. Sound. If you want to collect the emails of the respondent, just click collect emails. And then if you want to send the Google Form via email, just put the mails. And then if you want to send through link, if you want to send the links, just use the link and then shorten the links, copy, and then highlight, just send it to many people. And then in the responses box, this box will be the place for the answer of your Google form, and then you can check it here. Okay, like that, everyone. Okay, everyone, so that's how we make a Google form just by using a handphone. How is it? Easy, right? Okay, just try it at home, and thank you so much for watching until the end. Okay, and see you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.